buddy? We're good. This way?
And you folks were instructed.